WSBT Channel 5. This is a Storm Team 5 weather alert.
Hi there, meteorologist Danielle Volmar. I want to update you. We have that blizzard warning going into effect at 7 p.m. tonight, and that does linger until 7 a.m. on Monday morning. I want to show you where it's at. It's all these areas you do see in orange. That does include the Cape, the islands, the South Coast. The interior, though, under a winter storm warning. We're expecting heavy snow, low visibilities, and, of course, blowing, drifting snow, and very strong winds. Looking for anywhere from 6 to 12 inches in some slots, above a foot of snow. Strong winds and also bitter cold temperatures with this, especially on the day of Sunday through the morning and in the afternoon as those winds really start to gust to up to hurricane force on Cape Cod. Minor coastal flooding looks to be an issue during times of high tide, which is coming at 7:30 tomorrow morning. Now, as we go through the day today, right now we're mostly cloudy, but some snow showers are going to break out in the middle of the afternoon, and it becomes steady through dinner time and into the overnight hours. There could be a quick break in the overnight as well before the heaviest snow really sets up over us coming early tomorrow morning. So here's what it looks like right now. A couple of snow showers in and around the area through the Worcester Hills, up through Leominster, as well as back towards North Brookfield. But otherwise, that's really about it. The main system's still back to our north and west, and this is going to head its way into our area. So let me show you this on the Futurecast. Notice snow starting to blossom by around 2 o'clock. It continues to become more steady and fills in across the entire area by around 6 or so. As we head towards 8, 9 o'clock, notice the heaviest snow being lifted up to southern Maine and southern New Hampshire, so we do get a little bit of a break. So the Valentine's Day dinner plans, I think, are okay. It's back as the storm really develops and bombs out over us that we get the heavy snow beginning in the early morning hours on Sunday. It continues around 7 o'clock. Notice these deep purple bands in here, and even through the early afternoon before it finally gets out of here. When all is said and done, we are looking for 12 inches and above 12 inches in a lot of these spots you see in pink. When you get outside of 95, 8 to 12 inches in and around Cape Cod as well. Down, and you can see that over southeastern Mass. The other impact with this storm, again, as I talked about, not only the heavy snow, but it's also going to be the strong winds and the bitter cold. We're going to update you in the next hour. Now we'll send you back to programming.